Yummy food for my sweetie. Open wide.
Even in a world of screens, a mother's patience is timeless.
It's enough playing. Give me the phone right now. But Mama, I almost finished this level. Give it back.
Sometimes a lesson needs a little love and a quiet room.
Some lessons wait till morning.
Morning love sometimes comes with a little roar.
When late-night cartoons meet early class, dreams turn into lessons. Give me that phone! It is not good for you!